The winner of this award has demonstrated a great passion and curiosity for engineering. They have a great academic record and they have made an outstanding contribution to their employer, coming up with a concept that has saved their company thousands of pounds. This year's winner of the Sandvik Coromant Advanced Apprentice of the Year is Gabriella Spencer from Stanley Black& Decker.
I've always been a hands-on kind of person. As an apprentice toolmaker, my daily activities consist of servicing, repairing, maintaining all the tools, and I also do like a little bit of welding, surface grinding, turning on the lathe, manual milling.
On her interview, her enthusiasm came across, and actually in her role, she brings that enthusiasm with her. She's very willing to learn new skills. Doing the project she's working with me on, developing our quality lab, is already saving the business money.
In the future, I'd really like to become multi-skilled, so when I've finished my tool making course, I'm probably going to move on to mechanical fittings, and then hopefully, eventually, like in a few years' time, when I've got to know a bit more about the factory, I'd like to possibly go into a manager's role. To win the award would be absolutely amazing. I'd really like to inspire other young women into manufacturing and engineering because it's such a great career, it's fantastic.